welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious chicken avocado salad, perfect for your tostadas. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting ready the chicken breast. Chicken breast without bone. I have 1 bay leaf, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 2 chicken breasts, very large. On the stove, I have a pan with boiling water. I am going to add my 2 chicken breasts, cook them for about 30 to 40 minutes. I'm going to take this, all the white stuff. When it starts boiling, I am going to remove it and I'm going to keep it cooking for about 20 to 40 minutes. When the chicken is nice and tender and moist, I am going to remove it from the liquid and I am going to start shredding. Shredding it, taking my time. This is what takes much longer, shredding your chicken breast. But let me tell you, this chicken avocado salad comes out amazing. The flavor, the texture, you could enjoy it in tostadas, you could enjoy it topped on top of lettuce. You decide. But let me show you step by step how to make it low in calories and just amazing. Once it's shredded, you're going to continue adding half an onion. You're going to cube half an onion, small little pieces. The smaller, the better. You really want to see the onion throughout the salad. So you want to make sure that you cube it in small little pieces. Once your onion is ready, just put it on the same bowl where you have your chicken. Like I said, take your time cubing the red onion. Once this is done, we're going to continue with the bunch of cilantro. We're going to dice away, making sure that it's small little pieces so you could see it throughout the salad. Once this is done, just add it to the same bowl where you have your chicken. And now, of course, I have 2 ripe avocados. I am going to cube them and then I'm going to add them right on top of everything. Look at this. Look how amazing. You could see all those beautiful colors, light green, dark green, purple, and then the chicken white. Of course, be generous with your avocado and be generous with your lemon. I am going to add 4 lemons in total. You really want the chicken to be moist and covered with the amazing lemon juice so that the avocado doesn't get brown. And now, of course, I'm going to start adding the lemon juice. I have the spices. I am going to use 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And now I'm squeezing the lemons right on the top of the avocado, and then I am ready to add all those amazing spices. Let me tell you, once you make this amazing chicken guacamole salad, you're going to really fall in love. Everybody at home loves this amazing salad. It has the perfect ingredients. And now I am ready to incorporate everything, making sure that everything is covered with the creaminess of the avocado. If you need to add more lemon juice, go ahead. I'm adding a little bit. In total, it was 4 lemons that I used. See here, I just want to incorporate. You want this to be juicy. You want this to be nice and creamy. And if you got to this part of the video, you love this chicken avocado salad, well, let me tell you, Once you make it, you're really going to enjoy it. You could enjoy it on top of white rice. You could enjoy it on tostadas. You could enjoy it on lettuce wraps. You could enjoy it in so different ways. But here, of course, here at home, I am going to enjoy it in a tostada. And my mouth is watering because this just looks amazing and it smells delicious. I'm adding everything to my tostada. I'm going to top it with a little squares of avocado right on the top. And then I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lemon right on the top. And I'm ready to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit. Like, subscribe, and share. I am completely done with this amazing and delicious chicken guacamole salad. Of course, I'm going to enjoy it in a delicious tostada. Let's see how this came out, my friends. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. So delicious. If you are watching your diet, this is the perfect recipe. Mmm. Amazing. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.